Facing the unable to activate Face ID on this iPhone error, this problem can happen for a few reasons, like software glitches, incorrect settings, or issues with Face ID setup. But don't worry, in this guide I'll walk you through simple steps to fix it. Let's dive in and get it sorted. Solution 1. Enable these very important settings. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Face ID and Attention. Just enable Required Attention for Face ID. Attention-aware features also enable haptic on successful authentication. If these options are already enabled, then turn these off and turn these back again. Solution 2. Check Screen Time Restrictions. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. If Screen Time is enabled, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Ensure to turn off the restriction on iPhone. Solution 3. Check for software updates. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Software updates often include fixes for Face ID issues, so this might resolve the problem. If you still have issues, enable True Tone from Control Center. Tap and hold your brightness light to come here. Enable True Tone, or give your iPhone a Reset All setting. This will definitely help you unless you have hardware issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the unable to activate Face ID on this iPhone error. I hope this solution works for you. If these steps helped, let me know in the comments, and if you still have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.